On your mandate, Bosa. On your mandate, Bosa. On your mandate, we shall stand.
This is a press statement by Comrade Rioborue, Jude, Deniran, President-elect of the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS. Dear Nigerian students, distinguished NANS senators, our amiable stakeholders, all lovers of education across Nigeria, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a deep sense of responsibility and commitment to service of national development, generational shift in power, and restoration of our dear nation's glory. It is important that I address you today, sending solidarity greetings in the name of one struggle, unity, peace, and renewal. Today has come, and tomorrow will reveal the activities of today. I appreciate the last administration executive, including the Senate arm, for their service and sacrifices to the Nigerian students as an association. All committees are also appreciated by me, including the convention chairman and all CPCs as well. Most appreciation goes to the distinguished NANS senators, which are the delegates, the SUG presidents, and our respected stakeholders for their well contributions and support to the success of the 2023 National Convention. The senators, delegates have spoken well by electing one of them, who is the former union president, person of Comrade Rioborue, Jude, Deniran, myself, as the NANS president today. During the convention, a lot happened that we heard and witnessed, good, bad, and ugly. To the glory of God, we have started addressing the bad and ugly situations that requires urgent attention. I'm calling on the Department of State Security to give a report of the 2023 elective NANS convention, as the world is eager to know. It is an enormous privilege and honor to be trusted with the leadership of NANS students, of Nigerian students. I am deeply conscious that this privilege is honor at this time. It is indeed a remarkable and historic victory for Nigerian students, and I have no doubt about what this means to the students' community. We call on our core contenders in the electionary level to join hands with us as we take the delivering comprehensive leadership and sustainably a voice of dear Nigerian students. We appreciate the efforts of stakeholders and we urge them to continue giving us the best guidance towards student interests. The mandate have freely given us is a mandate to reform the investment in the future of NANS, and it's also very clear as an instruction for good governance. I assure you of good leadership, and I assure you that the NANS leadership under my administration will represent the interests of genuine Nigerian students on and off campuses. Thank you very much. Earlier in the process of my campaign, I have earlier raised a concern about the rigorous process in accessing the loan. I lent my voice and appealed to the National Assembly and the federal government as well to either make the loan a grant for Nigerian students or to make it more accessible, because I think the process are too rigorous.
You know, in your statement you say the DSS is get the report. Is there anything happened during the election yesterday?
No, in any gathering of students and when you have security agencies on ground, there should be report at the end of every process. Yes. I, as a contestant who just emerged, I didn't carry out any violence, so.
You're not aware of any?
I'm not aware of any.
Okay.
Yeah. And God bless you.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always stand forever.
Of the greatest Bosa,
Bosa,
articulated Panyon,
Panyon,
Kolu,
Temper.